In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link in Outlook. This is a simple workflow you can use anytime you want to point someone to a web page, a document stored online, or any other resource accessible by a URL. We'll keep it straightforward and clear so you can follow along without missing a beat. First, copy the link you want to share. Make sure you've highlighted the complete address so it includes everything needed to open the page. Copying from your browser's address bar or from a trusted source ensures you don't accidentally miss characters at the beginning or end. If your link includes extra text around it, take a moment to copy only the URL itself so Outlook can recognize it cleanly. Next, open Outlook. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser if you use Outlook on the web. Either way, the basic flow is the same. Give it a second to load fully so the Compose tools are ready and responsive. Now, click New Email. This opens a fresh message window where you can compose your note. You'll see a space for your message body and a subject line at the top. If you prefer to keep things neat, you can maximize the window so you have plenty of room to work. Paste the link in the message body. You can right-click and choose Paste, or use your keyboard shortcut. Outlook will typically turn the URL into a clickable hyperlink automatically so the recipient can just select it to open the page. For clarity, consider adding a short sentence around the link so your recipient knows what to expect when they click it, like a brief description of the article, file, or page you're sharing. If the link appears very long, don't worry. Outlook often formats it cleanly, and most email apps display it as a single clickable address. Add a subject that clearly reflects the purpose of your message. A concise, descriptive subject helps the recipient understand the context at a glance, which can improve open rates and reduce confusion. For example, mention the topic or resource name so it's easy to find later through search. Finally, click Send. Outlook will deliver your email with the embedded link, and your recipient will be able to access it directly from the message. That's all there is to it. By copying the correct URL, opening Outlook, starting a new email, pasting the link into the body, adding a clear subject, and sending, you'll share links confidently and professionally every time.